shade on my nose, how it looks. So what happened was, it was still leaning towards this way. And my doctor, he put some cortisone, steroid, whatever, to make the swelling go down on this side of your eye. But yeah, he put some like a swelling thing on this side, and it went down. And then he put a little, like a drop of filler on this side, and oh my god, it looks straight. Mind blown. My nose finally looks straight. So that's why I've been starting to make content, and I'm so excited to like post so many makeup videos for you guys, because I have not done that in such a long time. And that is my passion, is doing makeup. And I love to do makeup, and I love to vlog, and I love to record makeup, but I couldn't do it for the past few months because of my nose, because I felt very insecure, and I didn't feel the confidence that I should be feeling after a nose job. I mean, obviously you do have like identity crisis, but I had that for like a few months. But yeah, now I'm feeling normal, and I'm feeling myself, and I'm just so happy to finally be back, you know. But stop. But yeah, here's the makeup details. I'm sure you guys were gonna ask in the comments. So the blush is, I tried the liquid NARS Orgasm blush. It's the liquid one. And then I put on top the Super Orgasm blush from NARS, and then I also put on top MAC Mineralized Skin Finish blush in the shade Gentle. I think it's the Mineralized Skin Finish. Omar's getting Starbucks because he didn't want to get Starbucks when I was getting Starbucks, because he didn't eat. But I got a toasted white mocha.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
And my foundation is from NARS. It's in the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Punjab. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Lipstick is, I just actually brought it with me. I put a couple lipsticks, but this was like the main one that I put on top. It's the Maybelline Mauve for me. It's super pretty. I'm gonna go to the mall and pick up some boots because it's winter and I don't have any winter boots. And then me and my sister-in-law wanted to get our ears pierced, the tragus part right here. So we're gonna go do that.
What? No.
He is single. He's 20 years old.
I am going to be 20.
No, he's 19 years old. He's single. He's looking for a girl, preferably what do you want? Preferably
any.
Oh, okay. He doesn't. He has. Oh, you don't care.
No.
Oh, okay. He doesn't care. Put your. Hassan, where's Sara? Where's Sara? Sara. So, I got my ears, my tragus pierced, and it didn't hurt. I thought it was gonna hurt, but it didn't hurt at all. So we are going to Starbucks. My sister-in-law dragged me to the mall, and she forgot her ID, and then she forgot her phone on our way back. She made me want to kill myself because I'm starving, and she didn't let me eat anything. She's a pain in my ass. I don't know what to do. Hey, you're talking shit about me and I'm listening.
It's me.
Wait, I went the wrong way. She made me starve. We went to go and get my mother-in-law a gift for her birthday, and it's also her birthday. Their birthday is on the same day, so she got my mother. Show them the ring.
Show them the ring.
Okay, let's zoom into the ring. Oh, there you go. This is the ring that she got. It's so cute. She's cute. It looks so cute. Can I have it? You're the one that bought it.
I'm not gonna give it to Mom. I'm gonna keep it. No, I like it. I will buy myself one too.
Mom, say hi.
Hi. Tu fez great.
Aqui.
As tu. Happy birthday. Early birthday.
Open it.
Ushani.
Como się skończyła kiedy?
Yeah. Oh, it fit. It doesn't need to be so. Oh.
Hi.
Ah. Dad, look here. Dad, look here. Okay, now tell us how beautiful mom looks.
May gabit sa molarang tsaka makbul mo alam siya. Alam siya.
Do you fall in love with her again?
May gagapasar siya, shock siya di.
Oh, shock. Oh, siya pusarin dyan, galas.
You have to get diapers. I don't know what she's doing. Oh my god. What are you doing? They have, oh my gosh, they don't have size 7.
Just get size 8.
There's no size 8. Oh, there is size 7. Okay. Isan is the only one that wear diapers at the moment. So I have to potty train him very soon. Oh my gosh, I really want one of these. I could just haul all my kids and take them.
We invite you to try out our safe contactless shopping service.
Why did you hit the back? Okay, I have to get some bleach to clean my house with. This bleach is good. But everything that they have different on here will tell you what it does. So I don't know if 409 is as good as this bleach. Oh look, it says Clean Freak Deep Cleaning Mist. Oh, I got a SanDisk card for my camera because I need more storage. And then I got some Downy Calm. These smell so good. Hey guys, so I thought I would end this vlog with a nighttime routine. So here I'm taking my Murad vitamin C cleanser. This stuff is so good. They changed the formula of the last cleanser I used to use, which is the Cetaphil one. That was like my OG cleanser, but they changed the formula, and the formula is such ass. So don't get the new formula one because it will make you break out. It made me break out so bad. I had to try so many cleansers till I found this one. The Murad one has helped me so much. Now I'm just taking my niaciniamide by The Ordinary. It's niaciniamide and zinc, and I'm just rubbing that into my skin. And I make sure I get it around my eyes because it's really also helped my under eyes and the darkness around them. Now I'm just adding my Cera eye cream. I feel like this paired with the niaciniamide, it just works really good. I honestly seen a significant change in my under eye darkness, and the bags around it. It's helped me so much. Now I'm taking Ambi Fade Cream. I really like this stuff because I like to pick at the little pimples that I get, and it always leaves a scar. So this really helps to make sure a scar doesn't form when I do pick out my pimples. Now I'm taking my favorite moisturizer, which is from First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Cream. This stuff is so good. It has replaced my CeraVe moisturizer. I use this all the time, even under my makeup.